Hello friends, my name is Lakshman Murlidhar Bilevar. So today's topic is Angular components. Firstly, what is Angular? Angular is a platform and framework for building single page client application using HTML and TypeScript. Angular is written in TypeScript. It implements core and optional functionality as a set of TypeScript libraries that you import into your application. The architecture of an Angular application relies on certain fundamental concepts. The basic building blocks of the Angular framework are Angular components that are organized into ng modules. Ng modules collect related code into functional sets. An Angular function application is defined by a set of ng modules. An application always has at least a root module that enables bootstrapping and typically has many more feature modules. Then components define views, which are sets of screen elements that Angular can choose among and modify according to your program logic and data. Then components use services which provide specific functionality not directly related to views. Service providers can be injected into components as dependency, making your code modular, reusable and efficient. Then modules, components and services are classes that use decorators. These decorators that mark their type and provide metadata that tells Angular how to use them. The metadata for a component class associate it with a template that defines a view. A template combines ordinary HTML with Angular directives and binding markup that allow Angular to modify the HTML before rendering it for display. The metadata for a service class provides the information Angular needs to make it available to components through dependency injection, that is DI. And application components typically define many views arranged hierarchically. Angular provides the router service to help you define navigation path among views. The router provides the sophisticated in-browser navigational capabilities. Then components in Angular. Every Angular application has at least one component, the root component that connects a component hierarchy with the page document object model, that is DOM. Each component defines a class that contains application, data and logic and is associated with an HTML template that defines a view to be displayed in a target environment. The @component annotation decorator identifies the class immediately below it as a component and provides the template and related component specific metadata. So that's all about the Angular component. Thank you.